Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'll be showing you these tomatoes of mine at around 3 weeks after transplantation. They look so healthy. They have flowered really so quickly, and I was wondering why. The other time I planted these tomatoes, the very tomatoes, but they took almost 1.5 months before they flowered. And the reason is that the potting was different, because these ones we potted the seedlings. I'll show you in the video. And then the other ones we had just planted in nursery bed, just ordinary nursery bed, and they struggled to catch up. But these ones, they didn't get any problem. Immediately after the transplantation, we watered. It was even a dry season, but they caught up immediately, and this is amazing. They have flowered. Wow, we are about to eat these tomatoes. So please keep watching and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And I really love you. Check out most of our agricultural videos. They will inspire you. You can just plant these tomatoes around your home. Be blessed. Love you.